We are Bobcat. Steel benders, ground breakers, job makers. We invented an industry on the plains of America to start a global revolution in work. For more than 65 years, we've kept strong U.S. roots as our reach and impact expands across the globe. 5,000 U.S. workers across more than a dozen U.S. locations. Innovating for you, the people who build our world. It's a legacy that builds better infrastructure, stunning landscapes, and brighter futures. And when the job calls for giving back, we show up in force. At Bobcat, we've been doing our thing since before compact loaders were a thing. And we're still right here, still pushing, carrying, and moving America forward. Still one tough animal.